Many years ago, much time and money was spent on making aircraft fluids super clean, but sadly, when in use, the cleanliness was lost. Cans were being opened by rusty screwdrivers, half-empty cans left outside and becoming the host for contaminants and rainfall, and these were in danger of being introduced into the various aircraft systems. Risbridger began working with a major oil company, and in combination we developed our 7 Series hand pumps. These are designed to fix to the factory sealed cans and help reduce the possible introduction of contaminants. The fluid is pumped through our integral 1600 series filter element and then via a hose and coupling direct into the aircraft system. Over 50 years on, we are pleased to be still manufacturing very similar equipment, albeit with some practical and performance improvements along the way that have the same principal purpose, and that is to reduce the introduction of contaminants into expensive systems. One such improvement was the introduction of our no filter, no flow feature, which ensures the operation cannot be circumvented without the correct filtration being present. The 7011 assembly is our most widely used pump for the replenishment of the fluid in the IDG and is designed to connect to the fill valve via the 1870 coupling and can be found in operation in many hangars in all corners of the world. Improvements and modifications are done by talking to the industry and understanding what is needed, but mostly we are told keep it simple and maintain the quality of the build.